Check the measurements on the front edge.
Dead center. The gaps are perfect.
Nice work.
Hold it steady right there. Got it. Hitting the first bolt now.
Gloss carbon side skirts are mounted beneath the doors using hidden brackets and automotive-grade adhesive for a seamless factory finish. Electronic adjustable coilovers lower the vehicle while maintaining precise wheel alignment and suspension geometry. Door handles, charging port cover, side vents, and trim pieces receive matching forged carbon fiber accents.